everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I wanted to talk to you about a sharpening stone. So the difference between sharpening and honing is when you sharpen, you put an edge on something. So you take a little bit of olive oil and you put a little olive oil on like that. Then you just take and in a circular motion just like that. Now I need probably to sharpen the Trusted Butcher. So let's go ahead and let's bring that over here and we'll put it right here where we can see. I'll put a little bit of oil on it so that I'm fair with it, because I did put oil on the other one right from the scratch. I put too much oil. This bottle pours more oil than you really need. So then, here's, and you'll see some people will go at an angle. That's so they don't get any flat spots. I have a friend that I haven't seen in a long time, but he was a knife aficionado, and he's the one that taught me how to do this. And I've used his plan for years, and it works. So I think he may have known what he was talking about. Okay, then you do the honing. Now the honing is, if you've seen the barber do this with a leather strap and a straight razor, the honing gets rid of the ripples. This is probably an exaggeration of what ripples look like, because this has hit a few bones. But if you use this like this, it will make it straight, because in time your knife, and exaggerated, will be like that. So if you do like this, the honing will make your knife straight, and the sharpening will make it sharper. And then you say, well, now it really cuts. Wow! Here, cut that onion with that knife. And I'm telling you, those knives were not very expensive. I called them my expensive knives because they were, you know, I had to order new knives. So I thought I was spending a lot of money, but I don't think they weren't really that expensive. And sometimes you order stuff off TV and you're afraid it doesn't work. Well, in this case, they work great. So I'm real happy with the Trusted Butcher. I am a Trusted Butcher. So I think that's all we need to talk about for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.